Duncan with a drive to deep left field. Hamilton's going to look and watch this one sail out of here. Duncan's 4th home run of the year, a solo smash to left. And it's a 7-2 Indians lead.
Well, we said that we wanted to see the long ball continue after hitting 8 home runs in Boston. They come right back, and they have 2 in this ball game. So far, so good on the road trip. And welcome back, Shelley Duncan. Number 4 on the year, and he gets a low breaking ball. Boy, he kept his hands back beautifully there. And his weight, and he put a good swing on that one, and it went a long way. So you can make it 7-2 Cleveland.